baby sign. This week's word, to walk. There's several different ways to do this one, so I'm going to show you variations. This is one where you take your flat hands like this, and these become your feet. To walk. Another walk would be a classifier, as we call it. This becomes the person walking. If you have two people walking, it could be like this. Also, another walking could be the V like this. This could be their feet. To walk.